Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto Kings live stream. B Roots is out getting some sun in sunny Florida, and crypto has been going absolutely crazy this morning. We have meme coins popping off into the hundreds of millions. Looked like they were sending to the billions. Hit with FUD, big drop, big recovery, and things are just getting started in the crypto space, guys, and some projects too. Obviously on PulseChain that we think any minute could be explosive. B-Roots, what's going on, man? Welcome.
What's up? It's your boy, B-Roots. Somewhere in Florida, back at it again with another shill tube. And that's right, even though some markets are down, other markets are pumping, we got FUD. Mr. FUD came out. We got all kinds of things to talk about today. What's going on? That's right. Go Hard said it right. Gucci.
Dior. With that being said, man, it has been crazy, right? One of the most obvious narratives, and it just slipped through my fingers like a dum-dum I was, because I wasn't sure which one was going to go. I saw Grok get tweeted out by Elon multiple times. I saw the Grok coin. I said, is this the chosen one? It didn't really move from the tweet, which I thought it was, and I was like, maybe there's another one. Kind of forgot about it, went around, saw it at a 3 mil market cap. 2 or 3 days later, it's sitting at 180 mil market cap. This thing was going parabolic. But we have a coin too to talk about that is a narrative that has not yet played out. This coin is picking up a ton of steam. I'm sure you know what we're talking about. And on the 30th of this month, something very, very big is going to happen. We're going to talk about that in a bit, though. But I want to welcome everyone to the chat. We got our first super chat of the day, just under the threshold. Will UPX be the first 1000X token on PulseChain? Well, there's definitely won't be the first because there has already been many 1000Xs on PulseChain. But could it pull 1000X? I don't even know what it is, but I think B Roots does.
I'm in it. I can't fully explain it.
Ultra Pump. Hold on. Let me buy some. Just kidding. Just kidding. We don't always have to be in the same coins. There's a coin that I got in last night that B Roots didn't want to get in, and it's doing very well. And, sometimes we don't always fully agree on the narrative. B Roots has a style. I think I can get gains from certain things, and usually it plays out. Obviously, the experienced man is usually the winner, but we're both getting gains, man. And this is the bull market, guys. Like, this is fun. When you have like 6 figures sitting in this coin, you got a layer 1 PulseChain looking ready to explode, but you're just chilling. You're getting meme coin plays on Ethereum that are popping off, doing 10Xs in a day, 1000Xs in a week. I mean, this is fun, guys. We're not even here. Bitcoin is still a 2X away from all-time high, and it's just getting started, and we're getting in positions. And if you miss some of these coins, guys, you just have to look yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, there will be another. There will be
always will be another.
There always is until there isn't.
Always another.
There always is until there isn't.
Well, when it isn't, you better pack up all your bags.
For real, and move on.
That's it.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
So, I mean,
I didn't know this thing tips back like this. Hold on.
Oh, yeah. You got the back there.
I'm about to fall back, bro.
You got the plants in the background. Looks like you got some, I don't know, man.
What kind of plants are those? Why does it smell like that?
I don't know, man. You got some lettuce behind you. Who knows? But, yeah, man, this coin, guys, like, we don't really say, like, the one often, but, like, this is, like, we're not going to even call this the one just because it has to play out. But, like, this is a narrative that is just very, very strong. We see Elon plays popping up. We see the Grok thing, Grok, however you want to say it. But you always want to front run the narrative. And we think we found one coin that could definitely be front running a massive narrative that is coming into play. So this is going to be an exciting show, guys. We got 140 people in here. We probably don't even have 60 likes. Smash that like button.
Likes? How many? Now, I just had an event in Louisiana, so my high-pitched voice might not be there. So bear with me. How many? Oh, they came back, bro. And it's not bleeding because I ain't got the mic right now. So you ain't got to worry about the mic bringing me out. I'm going to blow your ears out.
Ooh. Bro, that high-pitched voice.
Neighbor's going to hate me at the end of this show.
We got Matt Yeater. I think that's how you say it. What is the best and worst ways to take profit? Bro, we're probably going to have to do one more Laws of Meme Coins summary. That's up to B Roots. One more maybe, but there are ones that we've gone over this because it's over?
Yeah.
All right, well, then look back on our live streams, Matt, and you will find a Laws of Meme Coins breakdown because this is important for you to watch and you to study. But with that being said,
the best way.
Oh yeah, what's going on?
I'm trying to spray myself, but there's no.
What do you got the hose for, man? The hose nozzle?
It's hot as hell out here right now.
For real, bro. you didn't get any of that sauna today at your recovery, so now you're getting it now. But we got Reflux token, RFX, man. RFX will be bought on the open market with NFT funds. NFT mints soon, and they pay you in Pulse. So not only do you earn passive Pulse on RFX holding this Reflections token, then you're going to get reflections on the NFTs you buy, and then the NFT raise will go towards pumping the price.
Reflections everywhere.
You got to really reflect on that one.
Yeah,
man. I mean, I think it's time. I think you could just pull up the Bitcoin chart. We could take a look, see what's going on. Just take a quick look at that. Check out PulseChain. We got to talk about Ptgc because it's holding, and I know a lot of people get impatient. I was even impatient over the weekend. I was like, oh, what's it doing? It's not just going up. It's flagging. But you guys, patience is so key, and getting a game plan helps you stick to your patience, because then you say, did it hit my numbers on the game plan? No, it didn't. Hold the line.
Actually, let me go back to speaking of that. The best way to take profits, I ain't gonna leave you, man. He paid $1.99. Get a quick little 10-second
Matt,
question.
we got you, bro.
The best way to take profits is just like anything in life. Have a game plan. Figure out what your game plan is. Figure out what you want. Don't listen to anybody else. You have an individual game plan. You have a life. You have a situation. That's what you want to do. So make sure you have a game plan. Short term, medium term, long term. Now, the worst way to take profits is to be like all the people who sold the FUD today. Do not sell to FUD. That's the worst way to take profit. If you sell the FUD and crypto, that there's always a FUD situation. And if nothing has changed internally, nothing has changed. Like for example, the narrative hasn't changed. There's no like scam, no proof of scamming, none of that. You're gonna sell because other people want your bags. So that happens in crypto a lot. So make sure, because you did your own research in the beginning, you know where to go to, who to go to make a educated guess as best as possible for you to continue making gains. Every coin that you get in that blows up very fast will have FUD. It's how you get over the FUD is the success measure of that coin. So if you don't get over that FUD, that means the FUD was likely true. If nothing's changed, you're gonna have your very, 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 very inexperienced investors sell because they're emotional. And the last thing you want to do is make an emotional trade, whether it's a sell or a buy. That's the worst way, not just to take profits, but to buy a coin. Do not be emotional.
Yeah, I'll be 100% transparent. I sold the FUD today, and it wasn't in Grok. It was a coin that's connected to it. But then I also bought the FUD. I bought Grok. I now have a position. I got in around $50 million market cap. And, you say, Ian, why would you do that? Well, I think it could still do a 20x. It's a base community to be a part of. And I kind of deciphered the FUD. I said, bro, this guy has a project that was unsuccessful, and he reused the Twitter. It was probably like when Elon tweeted it, it was like, get it up. We got to get this project up. And he probably just jumped on that, which probably wasn't smart of him, but at the same time, it was done. And people who call devs that are unsuccessful unsuccessful project scammers, that is just false, because there's most devs out there have an unsuccessful project. It's trial and error. It's like calling a businessman who had a business, and then it went under, and then he started a new business and it was very successful. Well, he's a scammer. No, he learned from his other project. As long as there was no malintent, rugging, selling team tokens, stuff like this. And obviously I don't have all the facts of what happened with Andy, but we were around that token and it just slowly died off. It just didn't catch on. So
yeah, I mean, are you ready for this? It was a reflections token that did not have a big enough boom in the beginning. What have I been talking about this whole time? About reflection tokens. Like, there it is. That's what happened to Andy. And just as you said, 95% of businesses fail. We're not talking about crypto. Businesses, small businesses fail. So does that make someone that creates multiple businesses and finally jackpot hits on one, does that make him a scammer? No, not at all. A failure? Maybe. I was saying, don't call him a failure. Yeah, like he failed a lot of times. I call him a failure. I don't know if I'm gonna call him a scammer. There's a difference. Now, crypto, sorry to break it to you guys, but 99% of all these cryptos are going to fail. Does that make it a scam? No. They're probably just not going to last. So you have to realize that not everything is a scam. If you don't pull liquidity, I don't consider that a scam. If you don't have 50% of the supply and you're slowly dripping it on people, I don't consider that a scam. And be honest with you, that's borderline calling it a scam or not, because once it hits the blockchain, anybody has access to buy it. So like, I don't even know if I could call that a scam. Is it right? That's the question. I don't think it's right, but I don't think it's a scam either. So that's a little gray area. But here's the in the end, without any proof, just saying he was a scammer without any proof, man, paid for it if I ever saw it.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, let's pull up the Bitcoin chart because I just checked Bitcoin and Bitcoin is flying right now. It's almost at 37K.
I wouldn't necessarily. It's been up there for like the last 4 days. But oh yeah,
I thought it just popped. Sorry, I'm looking at the yearly, monthly, 7-day.
Yes, bam! Look at that, man. We just sitting all up in our section by having. Just all up in there. I expect this. I still want to see a correction, but the crazy thing is everybody and their mom is saying one more drop before we go up again, because they're basing it off of history, which is right. Like, you are basing it off of history, but what if this is the time? I don't know, man. You can't play that game during a bull market, because you know why? Everyone that says one more drop before bull market and we continue, or before we like get the big up, what's the point? Who cares? Like, are you going to sell and buy back in? Like, what is your plan? So when everyone says one more drop, like, hello, if you're in this channel, if you're following me, we've been talking about this stuff that's down here. So if it's up here and it comes down here, sorry to break it to you, peeps, but that's a higher low. So why are you talking about one more drop? This is the time you either take your profits and go away from that coin, or you hold. Because if it does come down, it's still going to be higher than when we got back in from over here. Look at the 300-week moving average. This thing is sitting nice and girthy up. Viagra on full blow right now. This thing is up and going up, and that's what we want to see. So to me, it doesn't even matter if we were to crash down 25, 30K, which I don't think we're going down 25K, but 30K. We're in our section, our love section. And whether you think there's going to be a crash before halving or not, it don't matter. You know why? Because I believe we're going to be in this section, not just by the halving, but during the halving or higher. Looks good.
Looks real good. It needs to almost cool off. That's a lot of up, a lot of green.
If there's any correction, it's right here, man. 29.5. There was a flash crash. I think that's where it would hit. Every other thing, no, it's not true. So parts that have not been retested. No, I'm gonna call that. All right, now 22.9 and 20 and 30,000. We'll just say 30,000. 29 and 30,000. That's it. But it doesn't have to go there. Remember. Actually, no, that tested it right here. So I wouldn't get that. I wouldn't count that. Yeah, I would say 20, 30 grand. So remember, you don't have to test this. This is the magnet, 1,000% a magnet. But guess what? Look at the 300-week moving average. It's all the way down here. It moves very slowly. What if the bull run happens 2025, 2026 around? The 300-week moving average or the 400-week moving average is sitting at 30,000. That magnet hit. Boom. We hit our magnet. But because you were looking for that drop, you missed the whole bull run. Congratulations. The magnet doesn't have to hit right away. It's going to hit. The magnet's going to bring that price down sooner or later, but it doesn't have to be on your time frame. So all that means is that's a dip.
Bro.
That magnet is a dip to buy when the time comes, but I'm not saying it's going to come right away. It doesn't have to come right away.
Bro, this coin that we are looking at is that dip is completely eaten up.
Yeah,
Like
I saw. That's why I told you by noon, it wasn't going to have a gravestone doji, and it didn't have any close to a gravestone doji. And right now, because it's not a gravestone doji, it's going to take off.
bro, look at the 4 hour. Like, I don't know if we should just try to get our audience this. I don't want you guys to watch us and leave, but like I want you guys to get in this. But we're having opportunity. But up to you. We keep going.
I mean, that's all I have on Bitcoin.
All right. Well, let's pull up some ETH trade or charts. Let's look at Grok real quick, and then we can talk about this coin and why we think it's the next biggest narrative.
Grok is your choice. You can be talking. I'll look at some TA. Because you're in Grok. I'm not mad at Grok. I don't hate Grok. It's just not in it.
All right, let me do it.
Okay, because I don't know which one it is too. That's you got it probably saved already.
Yeah, I got it.
Plus, I can't see shit.
Sitting outside. All right, here it is, guys. Look at this. Not following the laws of meme coins. It might try here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days of a complete, absolute parabolic run up. Let's look on the 4 hour, which kind of shows the history of this. So this is when it was sitting right here. When I was like, man, Elon's tweets weren't really affecting it. Right around here. So I was like, it's just kind of going sideways. This might not be the chosen one. And then bam, it took off, sold, and then just started going. And Elon threw out that tweet with the dog getting teabagged, and it was just gone. Woke up this morning. I think we were sitting at 0.027, and then we had the Zach XBT FUD, and this thing went all the way down to, I believe. Let me see the percentage of that. Did a 72% drop.
Just a reset.
From all-time high. A nice reset, like good looking on TA-wise. Like it kind of needed that after that run-up. But then, boom, it just bounced. We're sitting at a $93.72 million market cap. People have been concerned about the liquidity. Honestly.
Dude, there's nothing wrong with that liquidity, man. Once you get above 1 million, you're able to cash out $20,000 easily.
Especially, look at the volume.
50,000. You can cash out 50,000 with that easily. Like I thought it was worse than that.
Yeah, we've been in, but look at that volume. Almost 60 million in volume. So, yeah, man, it looked good. I bought the dip, nothing crazy, but like because there was definitely some risk involved. But I just was like, you know what, I think it can go, and I think I want to be a part of this. So. I bought the FUD. That's what you're supposed to do. So here's the one that I got in, guys. Obviously, it's a lot more risky. If you guys know about Pepe 2 came out, 2.0 came out. This thing went over 100 mil market cap. Now, this thing's highly attached to Grok. So Grok, however you want to say it. So there's a lot of risk here, but this is where I saw Grok originally at around a 4 mil market cap. I faded it. I got into this around $1 million market cap, and this thing went up to about an 8 mil market cap, dipped on the FUD, and now it's recovering nicely here. So also a little bit low liquidity, almost 10 million in volume. If you guys want to check it out, there's potentially some gains, not financial advice on this. So that's all I got. This is the coin I got in. Beards doesn't like copycats. I understand. But I saw potential for gains. This thing could go. Obviously, I don't think it's going to go near as high as the original, but is what it is, man. But there's a coin that we're way more excited about on Ethereum. Way more excited.
Oh, yes. I am going to go with it.
When you guys find a coin, you want to front run narratives. That means you're early.
Very early before the. So just some things. The Pepe dev apparently ate 30 ETH while we were sleeping last night. I knew it was something when I saw somebody ate 10 ETH in one slot. Plow. I said, yeah, this is gonna go. And that was at like a $3 million market cap, $4 million market cap.
Yep.
So when you see someone plop in 10 ETH just like that without even trying to slowly go in, it's making a statement. And then apparently while we were sleeping, someone aped in, the Pepe dev aped in 30 ETH. So to me, that was like, yeah, these are either insiders or people know about it. And when I saw that, I was like,
that's a whale.
Yeah, that's good.
That's a whale. That's a $20,000 ape. Like, you got money. Yeah. You know something, or you're very confident in what you see.
So I threw it hard on this. I'm not at positions I wanted to be, but you know what? Come bull market, I told y'all. Oh, I didn't get in 200,000 market cap. Oh, I didn't get in 300,000 market cap. Yeah. Well, Cybertruck. Cybertruck sounds stupid, doesn't it? Well, it is what it is. The stupid ones go crazy, and you look at this chart, like people are starting to buy it up. The why I like this, and why personally I was like I want to go for this and put more money into this, and I want to spread my money around because it's been out for a while, peeps. This narrative has already been talked about well before we even got this, like before this pump even happened. So this thing's been out since what? May, was it? May? And it just chilled, and pop. When you see that pop on a coin that's been out for a while, pay attention. Somebody is accumulating. So I got in, probably about right here. $2-3 million market cap, maybe for a little bit higher. And that thing started going up, and Cybertruck is just starting to get released. So it said that it's going to be by the end of the month they're going to start shipping out. So that Elon Musk is going to start doing videos, going to start doing tweets about the Cybertruck. And this is already front running to pop off. So Cybertruck might be the next Grok. Same concept.
Check out the website.
Don't fight the narrative. Like, that's what's popping. So maybe you'll be like, oh, I'm so sick and tired of Elon. You're either here to make money or not. It's that simple. So I like the narrative. Here's the website. Elon Musk truck coin built on the Ethereum blockchain. The future awaits. Nice little cartoonist action there with the truck symbol or ticker. And then it just goes into the information. Nothing too crazy, but basic and cool looking. Especially the background. The background is pretty cool. So yeah, man. That's the narrative. I do think that I'm not a lot. Everyone, it's being undershadowed by Grok, and how I see possible how this can play out. Now, not financial advice. It's just possible how it can play out. Once Elon starts talking more about Cybertruck, if he does, once again, if he does, I do think he slows down on the Grok stuff.
Bro, he's going to talk about it.
It goes more about.
He's going to talk about his product. Let me show you something real quick. I'm going to share the screen real quick. Check this out. Bam.
Well, he's going to talk about this product that's going to make him buku money at the time too. He's going to get them pre-orders in for sure.
So here we go, guys. First batch is on its truck. First batch of Cybertrucks to be delivered worldwide on the 30th. Elon Musk will sure send this to 1 billion, aping now for entry. In my opinion, never fade. So either way, guys, this is the trucks are coming. People have bought them, they pre-ordered them, and they are on their way. First batch will be out on the 30th, guys. It's the 13th right now. We got 17 days. So
Who knows? Who knows what got it? It could be a buy rumor selling news. It could be a keep pumping.
Well, there'll definitely be a sell-off. There'll definitely be a buy the rumor, sell the news. But if Elon continues to tweet and shill his truck that he made, that he's excited about, it is going to bounce and it's going to go, in my opinion.
Yeah, I agree. I think we got a good one. So
hey. Love that super chat video. Cutthroat, thank you for the super chat. Can you guys review UPX chart and offer your thoughts? Deck screener, contract. Well, we usually don't do that, but if we have time at the end of the show, because we do have some other coins we need to talk about, we might pull that up real quick and just give a quick review. So we appreciate the super chat though, and we're gonna I'm sure it's gonna bring it to people's attention. I checked the chart while you guys are talking about it. It does look good. So it does look good.
Let's go.
Yeah, man. All right, man. Over to PulseChain. Unless, do you have any more ETH plays right now? Hold, right? Hold
is holding.
It's one of those ones, man, where like the thing about crypto right now, especially with retail not here, when these coins start going parabolic and sending, a lot of people are going to chase that and they're going to sell their positions. But once that coin's over, once everyone takes profit and the new narrative comes, and maybe it's not as a big narrative as the other one, people now have minted themselves tens of maybe hundreds of ETH. So they're going to go back to those coins that they like, that have the good branding, the good narrative that kind of got put on the back burner, and they're going to go back and buy them. And you see how people go back and forth through narratives, and so yeah, these are one of the ones that I like to just hold.
Yeah, and like I said, the supply, it's a supply shock type of coin. So the tokenomics looks good for it. Where's it at right now? I haven't even checked it. Let's see here.
Let's see if it's still holding.
It is at a $2.46 million market cap. So it did hit a level that I wanted to see. But the question is, does it get bought up from here? Yeah. There you go. Does it get bought up from here? So huge flag. But it's go time, because the flag is looking too overextended. Like, you want to get that thing going ASAP.
Elliott wave theory.
Could be. If it gets going now, yeah. It's got to go now, though. But I think hold.
Yeah. I'm a hold, so. Hey, another super chat. Google. Yeah.
Hey.
Google. This is going to sound nuts, but don't fade kook. Cuck. I was saying kook. Don't fade cuck. My chads. Dev launched it live on a late night Twitter space and burned all the LP. It also has Ptgc pair, and the 808 bots are trading both pairs. This could be very well be the next PulseChain banger. To check it out.
Kook. Check it out.
Kook. I don't like
saying kook, bro. There's no two O's.
Kook.
Not chicken coop.
Does it have a website, Google? Is there any information on this besides just the chart? Chart looks good though.
My bet is he launched it last night. There is no website.
Bro, people on PulseChain always have websites.
Well, we'll see. We'll see if he answers that. See if he answers.
All right. Well, let's talk about Ptgc, because Google brought this up. This thing's a beast, man. I like what's going on with Ptgc, and it had a parabolic run up the other week. It's chilling. It's flagging. It's looking good. You have really good projects. Projects are seeking it out to get paired with it because of the mechanism behind it. And obviously, they have their 3 sister tokens that launch. They're holding. And I think, honestly, if you have a coin that's just a sitting giant, a sitting beast, this is the one. On PulseChain.
This actually, it really isn't doing much on the sideways action. As you can see, volume is creeping down at 65,000. But it's definitely a flag. It's just flagging out. It's not going lower than it did right here when this person dumped. So, is it a flag? I don't like to see wicks up top. There's more wicks up top than there is on the bottom. So there's a lot more selling than there is actually buying. But that selling is stopping right here. Why? Probably because there's some type of floor. I'm not saying this is the floor, but somewhere in this area is a floor where people aren't willing to sell, and the Dow is either keeping that price up. So that's why I don't see many wicks going on in this area, but you're seeing a lot right here. This will get smaller, and obviously this will get smaller. And then we'll have some type of breakout, whether it's to the upside or the downside. But when you look at it for what it is, chart's bullish. Looks good. It's just flagging out. It's just having a break before a potential next leg up.
I mean, look how many days that thing ran. It ran 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. You could say 5. Just full green days. So,
oh damn, it's hot out here, bro.
Bro, you getting that sun? You sweating? What's going on, dude? Welcome to sunny Florida. We should be out in the water right now fishing, but we wanted to bring you guys the alpha. We were going to go out this morning. We were going to say, you know what? Screw our live stream. But there was just too much going on in crypto. And we're going to be on plenty of boats after this bull run. So smash that like button if you think that's cool. Because
I'm sweating so much, bro. I don't even want to mess up the Gucci's, bro. Over here messing up the Gucci's. Damn. Jeez. We all be doing that here. No break. Hey, versus bro.
Let roots inside the house, bro.
Y'all don't even see the tree. Like, look at the tree behind me, bro. There's no wind whatsoever. It's just standing still, hot as hell, just like this, bro. Just
like 90 degrees out here.
Look at this sweat.
Hey, bro, keep drinking that water. Don't worry, guys. I gave him some water.
I ain't got no water left in me, bro. It all freaking evaporated out of my body.
B-Root's got that. Yeah. I'll steal your girl eyes.
Why are you looking into my eyes, bro?
Oh, man. You guys are funny, man. We were going to be on a boat right now. B-Roots has never, ever, ever, ever been fishing. And I was like, dude, I'm going to take you fishing. We're going to catch some tuna, some mahi, some snapper, maybe a wahoo. But, we had to bring you guys this. And B-Roots, tell the people, what are you doing tonight, bro? Or tomorrow, whatever. What are you doing?
If I can last. If
you want to share it, if you want to share what you're going to do.
Your boy, it don't matter what I can share. They can't get in. You got to be VIP like your boy B Roots. So I can tell you all I want where I'm going, but your ass ain't going in because you got to be VIP to be up in Mar-a-Lago talking to Trump. Donald Trump, that's right. Your boy B. Wait. I can't say it. I got to mess up the grid. Can't say it the right way without having the Gucci's on. Your boy B Roots having dinner with the 46th president of the United States, Donald J. Trump. And even with that, your boy is going to pitch himself to be your next vice president. So I will be your 46th vice president, the first black Gucci wearing
Democrat vice president. I'm just kidding.
46th first.
Nah, we're all about freedom, man.
I can't even say the first black vice president because that's what Kamala Harris is. She don't count though.
She ain't black.
She don't do anything. But anyways,
We ain't getting into
Call
politics. So
call me
we're
Uncle Tom all you want.
we're all about freedom, man. But no, B-Root's minted those NFTs, and he got a dinner. It's
Nah,
pretty
bro,
cool.
don't try to call it. That's the reason why I got it. That's not the reason why I got it. Come on, bro. Your boy Donald Trump was looking for some meme plays, and he happened to come across your boy B Roots.
He's gonna be
Hit me
like,
up with that.
"This is the
He hit me up
laws
with
of
that
meme
message.
coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6."
I'm gonna tell you one thing. I did the law of meme coins on them NFTs, and your boy's sitting with a bunch of NFTs left over. So when he becomes the 46th president of the United States, actually it would be 47th.
Yeah, bro, you tripping.
It's definitely 47. But then Joe Biden don't count, so he ain't do nothing but send us in the bear market, bro. We need this boy to come back. Anyways, yes, I will be having dinner with Donald J. Trump tonight, if I can survive this heat flash of a stream that I'm doing right now.
So what's your thoughts? When's Ptgc gonna get going again?
I would say a week, another 2 weeks. Week, 2 weeks. That's right. That's what I'm talking about. You know what? That was such a good super chat. That deserves it.
Now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
Yeah, bro, chill in the water, bro. Chill.
It's over hot out here, bro. I'm over here just sweating. Golly.
Yeah, he said I was never fond of NFTs. I mean, we weren't either, man. We haven't done very good.
No,
that was B-Root's say. I hit on the Marshallino NFTs, but yeah. So what else?
The only reason I got those NFTs because it was easy as day. Here's the thing, man. When he said you don't even have to know how to use crypto to buy it, you can just buy it with a credit card. Instantly, I said I'm buying. Why? The narrative behind that is majority of those NFTs are burnt. Why? Why are they already burnt? The people that were buying them were regular people. They don't have any idea how to go on Polygon, then go on OpenSea, and then sell their NFTs. So it looks like a lot of NFTs.
So you took advantage. You took advantage of Trump supporters. Is that what you did?
I took advantage of the market. And therefore, that market went up. I sold like 10 or 15 of them and just made me bank. And now I get to go have dinner with Trump tonight. So I think I won.
Pretty good,
Pictures
man.
to come. And you can't wait to see my suit. My suit is fly like a motherfucker. I'm going to stand out. If there's anybody in that whole place that's going to stand out, it's your boy P Roots is going to stand out. So when he sees that suit, he's going to be like, yo, I got to see this guy. I got to talk to this dude. And that's where all the magic will be worked. That's how it works.
Sure. Well, looking forward to hearing how that goes.
Yeah, me too, actually.
Yeah,
I hope I ain't sitting next to no nerd. That's the only thing, bro.
So what else we got on PulseChain, man?
PulseChain. Well, we need to look at PulseChain itself. Probably should look at PulseChain and see what that's doing. All right. Let's see here. We're doing what I wanted us to do, actually. Came up here. We got denied again for the double top. And personally, I think this is a buying center right here, 6, even 6. I think that is a buy. I hope it's a buy, but I think it's a buy. Come up here and W on out. High, higher low, double top. So not a higher low or higher high, but a double top. But now we're looking for a higher low. And I think it would be this line right here. So 6, I think, will come down here, hopefully. It will have a correction up here. It's going to bounce off of this line. What we want to see is the bounce. So we want to see this thing bounce out of it by the end of November, end of November or so, maybe early December. And then we'll be at right in the section place playing around here for the inverse head and shoulders. I like what I see. And here's the best part about it. This is why I really wanted to see us correct. I am a man of patterns. Right now, there are 2 patterns being created. I pre-created an inverse head and shoulders. But how did I get to that? I got to that because of this right here. Cup. Part of the handle, this would be the second part of the handle. That is officially would be a cup and handle. And the target for that would be, ready for this? Sack price.
Let's go.
So that's why I wanted to see it. I wanted to get the climb from here and see that. And that's what we're getting. And in the cup and handle, it'd be a higher low. Everything works out. The target from that is from here to here. So I'll show you what that would be. Take this line right here, bam, up to the shoulder line, bam. Or sorry, the total line is actually higher than that. So there you go, 1, 2. 1, 2 area. So I like what I see, man. PulseChain, you gotta be patient with PulseChain. PulseChain is gonna be one of those ones that you have to be 100%, actually 1,000% patient on. Because it can just chill, sit there, slowly go up. People get impatient. They chase other things. They sell. And then it has a massive 6-month run. And then you're just like sitting there with your jaw dropped. Like, why did I just sell that? So that's how I see PulseChain playing out. And at the same time, later this month is the start of the case. You know, the first parts of the case of having phone calls with the SEC.
Yeah, what's that date on that?
I want to say the 28th, 25th or 28th, something like that. If anybody can put that in the chat, that'd be great if anyone knows, but I'm pretty sure it's the 28th.
There's a lot going down at the end of this month.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes, it is.
A lot.
What else we got? Got anything else to talk about?
Let me see. Let me check my watch list. What's Teddy Bear doing?
Teddy Bear, where are you?
Is that a relief pump or are we returning?
Relief pump or turning?
Turning.
That, my friend, looks like a. If we can stay right here, is this the weekly chart or daily chart? Daily chart. If we can stay right here and create a higher low, you know what I like to see? Big dumps followed by a nice green doji usually means up. But we got a long day to go. We got another 12 hours for this candle to end. So we want to see this in the doji, and hopefully that just means it's time to turn around. So as of right now, that was a relief pump. But now it's decision time. You don't want to see us go below this line. You actually don't even want to see us touch this line. You just want to see it turn around from here. It'll be a nice little W. Be on out of there. Head on to the next level. Next level, you'll be looking at, you know, $6 to $8 million market cap if it does that.
We totally missed the super chat. Let's go. Let's go. 8 years.
I was sending that bad boy.
Will you send crypto? Will you dedicate yourself to protect and send crypto?
I will attempt to run. Matter of fact, B Roots tells you this.
Will you ban the
we
SEC?
Have in 2028, B Roots will run for presidency. That's right. I'll come back and be like, I'm sending all markets. I am sending all markets. SEC gonna hate me if I make it past today from this heat stroke. Might be why I'm talking so crazy. Starting to have a heat stroke.
We got Matt with another question. Dang, bro, Grok just hit 120 mil market cap. What a bounce.
Just now?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's paid FUD, bro.
That
Stop
FUD.
following that dude. Stop following that dude. I've been telling y'all for a year now. We'll just
I
stop
don't
with
think
that FUD,
guys in
man.
here follow him. He's part of
Yeah,
like.
they do. They do. They do. They
Yeah.
do. They do.
Please explain market cap. How it rise and fall.
Price times supply equals market cap. You take the price, you multiply it by the supply, market cap. The price goes down, therefore the market cap goes down. If the supply changes, that means the market cap's going to change. There you go. That's simple.
There you go. All right, man. Well, I know you're out there just sweating your balls off. I think it's time to bring V-Roots back inside. Let me see if there's anything else. I'm definitely going to check out Cuck. I said it right that time. And I'm just looking through a lot of red on PulseChain projects right now, but look for the ones that are holding. And when there was a lot of red last time, Ptgc was flying. So they are cooling off. My bags are packed. That is my highest conviction play is outside of PulseChain currently. So obviously I still hold my PDI. I think PDI will have its time again. I think it's going to do its thing. And here we go. We got another one by Beards. Hello. You better take profit, bro.
No, it's coming right here. Watch it on the 3-day. Bam!
I think it's going right there. Yep.
It's possible right here. That's the worst case scenario, in my opinion. So here you go. Clear as day. We went up. We had an inverse hammer candle. That's your first sign that, hey, guys, we having some issues here. It ain't, look at all these. This is going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Hey, guys, we're having issues here. Bam, gravestone doji. That means, what does that mean? What do we teach on this channel? Anytime you see an upside down cross, looks like the Exorcist. It used to be this way, and then the possessed person comes in, and all of a sudden the cross turns around. Get out. Get away. And what happened? It tried to go up and said,
you didn't get out?
No, I didn't get out. You know why? Because your boy B Roots was telling people to get in about here. So I got all this to work with. High, low, higher high, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, trade a higher low, and keep it moving. That's simple. So I'm chilling. Another reason why I'm chilling, because I bought it back here, your boy's about to run into long-term capital gains taxes because I've just been sitting on it. And that means my X's turn into a 2X because your boy is the highest bracket. You're welcome. You're welcome. Your boy's paying taxes, all the taxes. I'm going to talk to Trump about that too, lower our long-term capital gains taxes. But I go from 40% to 20% just for holding it at a year. That gives me an extra 2X. How does it give me a 2X? I don't have to give it to the government. I actually get to keep it. So, looks good right now. I like what I see. If we were to break this, I'd start sweat. I'd probably sweat more than what I'm sweating right now. So for right now, it does look good. And the rest is just little watch list coins. You know, you got
we don't,
teddy
guys.
bear,
If you want us to like do a full token review, there is sponsor options available, but you can pull up real quick and we can just look at it. I did look at the chart; it does look good. If you want,
man, bro, it's hot in here.
just look at the chart.
We got sponsors, bro.
These guys,
they need to come on Shill Tank. Come on,
for
Shill
real.
Tank. Why y'all over here doing on YouTube? Come on, Shill Tank tomorrow, man. UpX is hitting all-time highs. One of the few on PulseChain pumping. See you on Shill Tank. It's hot, bro. bro.
All right, we'll see you guys next time on the Crypto Kings live stream Thursday, but tomorrow, Shill Tank. Bring us the coins, the alpha, and the entertainment. We'll see you then.
So for those of you who want to make that change, you need some crypto to help you to make that green. Yo, they gotta let your crypto king showing you how to invest to live your dreams. So for those of you who want to make that change, you need some crypto to help you to make that green. Yo,